Hello everyone. A very good evening, a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the Law Entrance channel of Adda 24. Welcome to the Officer Adda channel of Adda 24/7. So right now we are doing the summary of the act and the important sessions of your BRBL book. Okay, so we have already completed module D and right now module C is going on. So that's why this session is very much important. Okay, so I hope so. My voice is audible to all of you and the screen is visible to all of you. Right, guys? Okay, so let's do the summary and the Macmillan most important question of this session. Okay, today's session we are going to start the Integrated Ombudsman Scheme and one more act, that is a Consumer Protection Act 2019. So what is special about this act? So we have to understand this topic. So first of all, Integrated Ombudsman Scheme. Before starting this particular session, we know that we have a code in which we can just go for the justice. But instead of code in India, right now we have a ADR system, that is an alternative dispute resolution. So in the alternative dispute resolution systems, we have a what? Ombudsman, we have a ombudsman, we have a basically consumer forum, right? Consumer forum. Then we have a arbitration, conciliation, mediation. So there are so many, we can say that there are so many, this one, the ADR system in India, where we can just put our dispute and the justice will be given to us. Done? So right now we have a one integrated ombudsman scheme. So this integrated ombudsman scheme, that is the merger of three schemes: banking ombudsman scheme, NBFC ombudsman scheme, and then the digital transaction ombudsman scheme. So right now we have just merged three schemes into the one act, that is the Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2021. Just like in India, we just want one nation, one law. Same thing in the case of ombudsman, we need one dispute, one ombudsman. Is that okay? So this is basically established by the Reserve Bank of India. Okay. So this scheme has a very wide coverage, include most bank, financial institution, and the system participant dispute. Is that okay? Beside providing the definition of the term most often used in the scheme at the various places, the scheme deal with the location of offices of ombudsman appointed under the scheme and their power and the customer grievances, etc. So these are the things, this is, in the act. Now, we have a CRPC. What is CRPC? Centralized Receipt and Processing Unit. So what exactly this means? The scheme speak about the setting of CRPC where we can send our complaint for the processing of the customer complaints, okay, relevant to the scheme, and then the staffing of the Office of Ombudsman and the CRPC. The scheme also has provision for the party to the dispute appealing against the decision given by ombudsman. Suppose, guys, first of all, you have to just file a complaint to the regulated entity. If they have given the reply, it is okay. If the dispute is solved, it is okay. Otherwise, you can go to the ombudsman. And still, if you are not satisfied with the decision of ombudsman, you can go to the appellate tribunal. So this is the basically, criteria of filing the appeal. The scheme allow RBI through an order to suspend such period as may be specified in the order and the operation of all or any of the clause of scheme either generally or in relation to the any specified regulated entity. So in this scheme, the regulated entity includes bank, NBFC and the system participant. So this is called what? Regulated entity. Tell me, class, is that okay? Yes, class. Is that okay? Please tell me. Any doubt? Hanji class, any doubt? Please tell me. Any doubt? Done. Now let's do the question. Under the scheme, who is appellant authority? Governor, finance minister, deputy governor, and it's the elective director of RBI. What is the right answer? Tell me. Number one question on the screen is that. Tell me the right answer. Hanji class, tell me the right answer for this question. Who is the appellate authority? When we were studying in JIB, the integrated ombudsman scheme, so this was deputy governor. But right now, who is the appellate authority? Appellant means from ombudsman to appellant. So what is the name? Who is the person who will act as the appellant authority? Tell me. The right answer will be executive director of RBI. What is the maximum period for which an ombudsman, deputy ombudsman may be appointed under the scheme? What is the maximum tenure? 1 year, 3 year, 4 year, 10 year. What is the right answer? Tell me, guys. What is the right answer for this question? Tell me, tell me. Yes, class, what is the right answer for this question? The right answer will be 3 year. That is the right answer. Okay? Next. All complaint may be sent under the scheme to the CRPC only. That whatever the complaint, if the customer is complaining, it should be sent only to the CRPC, then our matter can be solved. And the CRPC is situated or established in Chandigarh. Always remember, there is a one only place, okay, that is Chandigarh, where the CRPC is there. Excellent, Nidhi ma'am. The right answer will be 3 years, the right answer. Good, ma'am. So all complaint may be sent to the CRPC. That is not necessary. So this is false. This statement is false. Okay, now, if complaint made by customer to the regulated entity is not replied, what is the minimum period? Minimum after its receipt by a regulated entity, may the customer make complaint to the ombudsman. It is 1 month, 1 year, 6 months, or 3 months. Excellent, Nidhi Jha ma'am. That's great. What is the right answer? What is the right answer? Excellent. Anirudh Ghosh sir, how are you? A is the right answer. An ombudsman would send copy to the complaint received by customer to the regulated entity. The ombudsman would send a copy of complaint, okay, received from a customer of a regulated entity. That is right. That is true and false. Is it necessary? Is it necessary or not? Tell me. The answer will be what is the right answer? That is absolutely true. That is absolutely true. So fifth one, A is the right answer. Is that okay? So class, this is all for integrated ombudsman scheme. That is a very small act, and now we will do the another act. Now guys, we will do the another act that is important. for the examination point of view. So C class, in the paid batch, I always used to give you the summary and the definition, but I know that you people don't do. So that's why the summary of the act, that is of your Macmillan book, is in front of you. And whatever the question that is given in the BRBL book, that is also in front of you. So please do all these things. Next, the Consumer Protection Act. So guys, in the Consumer Protection Act, basically, this act is of 1986. Right now, we have to study the 2019 one. That is the latest one. Okay. So the Consumer Protection Act was enacted on 9th of August 2019. Come into force 20th of July 2020. That is not so much important. So what is a new thing that is added in this 2019 one? The first is Central Consumer Protection Authority. Central Consumer Protection Authority, which come into effect from July 24, 2020. So that is authority which is basically made under this one. Section 2 define the major terms which are found occurring in the act. And also we have a council. We have a Central Consumer Protection Council. We have a State Consumer Protection Council. We have a District Consumer Protection Council. These are the advisory council, mainly to render advice on the promotion and what protection of the consumer rights under this act. That is important. That is important. Okay. So basically we have to study about the authority. We have already read. We have a study about the council, and then after that we have to study about the commission. So commission, you can see the type. District commission we have to study, state commission and national commission that we have to study. Is that okay? Done? So that's all for the summary session. Let's do the question that is given in the BRBL book. Now, okay, one thing is there. Yeah, commission. If we talk about the jurisdiction, okay. So I'm just making this one. In 1986, in 2019, in 2021, right? Then this is district commission. This is state commission. Next is state commission and then national commission. Done? 3 commission. So first of all, in district commission in 1986, up to 20 lakh was the matter. State commission 20 lakh up to 1 crore. And national above 1 crore. 2019, this is up to 1 crore. This is 1 CR to 10 CR. And this is above 10 CR. 2021, if we see this, up to 50 lakh. This is 50 lakh to 2 crore. And this is about 2 crore. So guys, we have to learn basically 2019 one, this one, okay, and 2021, because you have to study 2019 act, you have to study 2019 act, but the 2021 amendment is also there. So that's why you have to study both these 2-year jurisdiction. That is very, very much important. Okay. One thing I would like to add in this one, see, suppose Nikita ma'am is there. This is district commission. This is state commission. This is national commission. And this is Supreme Court. This is Supreme Court, right? So if Nikita ma'am is not satisfied, or Nikita, the dispute is there, and she have to file the case in the district commission. So Nikita ma'am have a 2-year in which she can file case to the district commission. Same, Nikita ma'am have a 2-year if she want to file directly case into the state commission. And Nikita ma'am can file the case in the national commission, that is in 2 years. So 2 is the limitation. Is that okay? From district commission to state commission, we have a 45 days in which we can file the case. From State Commission to National, we have a 30 days. From National to Supreme Court, we have a 30 days. And always keep remember, if you want to file appeal, so you have to pay 50% amount, you have to pay 50% amount if you want to appeal. And for Supreme Court, no amount you have to pay. For Supreme Court, guys, no amount you have to pay. So this is very, very much important. This one. Okay, 50, 50, 45, 30, 30. This is 2 year. Okay, guys. So I hope so you people understand this topic. That is very, very much important topic. Is that okay? Now let's do the question. Number 1 question. Which of the following is not complainant under the provision of Consumer Protection Act? Any voluntary consumer association registered under any law, the mediator, the central authority and the legal heir, or the legal representative of consumer? What is the right answer? Tell me. What is the right answer for this question? Tell me, guys. Yes, class. What is the right answer? Which of the following is not a complaint under the provision of Consumer Protection Act? So for this one, the right answer will be mediator, because mediator is another form of ADR which is there in 2019 Act. So B is the right answer. Good, Anirudh sir. Okay, next. Consumer includes a person who buy a goods and services for the commercial purpose. That is the definition of goods, class. Sorry, that is the definition of consumer. Consumer includes a person who buy a good and services for the commercial purpose. Tell me, class. That is totally false. That is totally false. Okay. A consumer includes a person who buy goods and services for the commercial. This is totally false one. Okay, because consumer is not a person that is buy the goods and services for the commercial and for the resale. Done? Next. Which of the following is the chairperson of Central Consumer Protection Council? It means from where we just select the chairperson. So you can see, Nidhi ma'am, Anirudh sir, these are the summary and the questions that is given in the book. So please do revision. The right answer is chairperson. We know that we have a Central Consumer Protection Council, State Consumer Protection Council, District Consumer Protection Council. So we just select the chairperson from the minister in charge of the department of this. This is for national and for the state also, and for the district, collector will be there. For the district, collector will be there. I hope so you remember the collector in the district council. Okay. So guys, that's all for today's class. I hope so you people enjoy the session. Okay. So this is your CAIIB what? AIM batch. Okay, which is going to be start from 22nd of March. Use the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount up to 81%. And right now the discount is going on. So if you want, we know that from your registration will be start. So please do not forget. Please do not forget for this one. Okay, if you want to purchase it, apply coupon code Y391. In the single batch, there will be no elective paper. So for the elective paper, you have to select separately. you have to select separately. Is that okay? For English medium, IT and HRM English medium video courses is there. If you want to select it, apply the coupon code Y391. And again, I will say this is your mock paper and ebooks. This is the CAIIB Mahapack. So whatever you want to purchase, you can purchase. Okay, whatever you want to purchase, you can just purchase it. Okay, and because in the CAIIB Mahapack, if you purchase today, so you will get, 1 year of validity. You will get 1 year of validity. So that's why this is very, very much important for the examination point of view. And for the Mahapack also, you have to use the same coupon code. In Mahapack, even, for the elective, all the video courses is there. Before exam, we just always make a live revision class of all the elective paper also. You will get that thing also. You will get the marathon and mini marathon that we always conduct before the exam. Okay, and the previous marathon also. So everything you are getting in this session. Sure, Anirudh sir. For the revision batch, you can join the session. Okay, so thank you so much for attending the session. Thank you so much.